Dear students, good morning to all of you. So this is our continuation of 5.1. Okay, the question is given: find the squares and cube of the 2, 5, 10, 20, 100 and 1000. Okay, so last time we have been discussed what is square and cube. Okay, if the exponent, let's say if this is a base, we have already discussed. If the exponent that is written 2, then we read this as a raised to the power of square, a raised to the powers of square. That means what? If the exponent is 2, then we consider them to be a square. If the exponent is 2, then we say them to be a square. If the exponent is 3, let's say if the exponent is 3, that means this power is 3, then we say it is cube. Okay? If the exponent is 3, then we say it is cube. That means a raised to the power of cube. A raised to the powers of cube. That means if this 3, if the power is 3, then we consider we read them as a cube also, or a raised to the power 3 also we can say, or a raised to the power 2 also we can say in this here. Okay, here the power exponent is 2, then we say this is a square, and if the exponent is 3, we say this is a cube. Okay, a raised to the power cube, a raised to the power cube. So let's discuss. Okay, let's try to solve the question. Okay, here you see find the squares and cubes of the 2, 5, 10, 20, 100 and 1000s. Okay, so I'll be solving one discussion and one discussion. So out of this 1, 2, 3 you have to solve. Okay, number 1, that is 2. So if I say squares of 2, that means what? It will be 2 square. That means 2 into 2. That means it will become answer will be your 4. Okay. Similarly, if I say cube of 2 means a raised to the power cube means 2 to the power 3. Okay, 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube. Okay, or we can also say 2 raised to the power 3. That means 2 you have to multiply 3 times. 2 you have to multiply 3 times. If you multiply 3 times, that becomes 8. Similarly, if I talk about number 2, that means it is, I said 20, next is my 20, so squares of 20 means what? It is 20 squares, 20 to the power, 20 raised to the power 2, okay, 20 raised to the power 2, okay, 20 raised to the power 2, so 20 into 20, then if you multiply 20 into 20, it will become 400, okay. Similarly, if I talk about cube of 20, that means 20 cube, that means it will become 23, then you have to multiply 20 into 20, so your answer will be 8,000. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, so 8, 3 0 we have 1, 2, 3, then we are adding 3 zeros, okay, then we are adding 3 zeros. So similarly, if I talk about the next question, that is 100, okay, when you talk about 1,000, then thousands, or 1000s, okay, number 6, you can say, number 6, that is 1000, okay, so 1000, that is what? Squares of 1000 is what? Squares of 1000, that means what? Squares of 1000, that is 1000 power 2, that means 1000 into 1000, so if you multiply these two, will become, this is your answers. 6 zeros, it will be 6 zeros, okay? So your answer will be somewhat 6 zeros, that means 1000 into 1000, that is 1036. So 10 lakhs, okay, your answer will be 10 lakhs. So cubes of 1000, it will be 10 to the 1000 to the power cube. That means 3 times you have to multiply. Okay, so your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 0, 3 0, 3 0, 3 0. One more 0 here. 3 zeros. So here we are getting all these 3. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So this is your answers for that question number 5. So you see, here you see, express each of the following as the power of the prime factors. Okay, let's see, what is the prime factor? What are the prime numbers? Okay, a prime numbers are those numbers which can divide by 1 and itself. Like example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, okay, 13, okay, 17. So these are some prime numbers which can divide by itself, and which can divide itself and by 1 only. If you talk about 2, 2 cannot be divided by any other number, 3 you cannot be divided by any other number, 5 you cannot be divided by any other number but 5 and itself. That 5 itself and 1. 7 itself and 1. 11 itself and 1. 13 itself and 1, right? 17. So there are a lot of prime numbers, okay? A lot of prime numbers are present in our number system. So these are some prime numbers we are talking about, okay? So we'll start with a question that is 108 and 2700, okay? 2700 or 2700. Yes, no. So the remaining 2 questions you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so let's start with the 108. That means 108. If I talk about 108, 108. Okay, so let's start with the lowest number, that is 2. The lowest prime number, the lowest prime number, that is 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Next, 2 2s are 4, 1 and 2 7s are 14. Next again, 3 we cannot divide it by 2. Why? Because there is the odd number out there. 27 cannot be divisible by 2. So we have to move to the next number, that is 3. So 3 9s are 27. Again 9 can be divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 108 we can write 108. We can write this as a 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. You see, these are 2 into 2. This 1 and 1. 3 and 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So these are the number I'm writing. Next, 108. Okay, 108 is equal to 108 is equal to how many 2 we have? Only 2 we have. That means 2. That means 2. Only 2 we have. That is our power is 2 here. 3. How many 3 we have? 3 we have. That means I have to write the power 3. So this is your answer. This is your answers. Similarly, when you talk about next number 4, that is 2700, okay, or 2700. So if I'm removing this one, okay, so I'm removing this one. So when I talk about this next is 270, that is, if I write this one, 270, you can start by 3 also, 2 also, okay? You can start by 2 also. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 1 and then 2 5s are 10, 0. Next again, 2, okay, 2 6 are 12. Next one and then, that is what? 15, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. As you know. Next we can start by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Next we can start by, again, 3 7s are 21. 3, how much time? 3 5s are 15. Okay, next again, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Okay, next, again we have next prime number. We cannot divide 25 by 3. That means we have to move to the next prime number. The next prime number is what? 5. 4 is not a prime number. Why? 4 is not a prime number. Why? 4 can be divisible by 4, 1, and 3, and 2. 4, 3, 4, 1, and 2. 4 can be divisible by 3 number. That means 4 is not a prime number. That is why we have to skip the 4 and we have to move to the 5. That means 5 into 5 become 25. So 2700 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So how many 2 we have? 2700. How many 2 we have? We have 2 2 and 3 3. 3 3 and 5. We have only 2. That means power will be 2. So this is your answer. So this is your answers.